Now write a letter to your friend thanking him for his hospitality. 5 April 2018, 10 by a Center Road, Chattogram. Dear Rajan, yesterday I received home safe and sound. Accept my cordial thanks for the warm hospitality given to me by you and the member of your family. I will never forget how all the members of your family, especially your parents, received me with their deep warmth of heart. I enjoyed every moment of my staying in the Dhaka, the place of the historical interest that I visit there will ever be fresh in my mind's eyes. I shall be very happy if you pay a visit to our house during your next vacation. I am waiting. I am awaiting your arrival. Now more today. With best regard to your parents and love to all. Your ever, Suhel. This is a staff from 2. Suhel, 10 by a Central Road, Chattogram, 2. Rajan, 12. Moymongshing Road, Dhaka. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page.